Making your girlfriend love you more isn't about tricks. It's about deepening trust, connection, and respect. Here are real, effective ways to strengthen your bond and grow her love for you. 1. Communicate honestly and openly. Listen more than you talk. Understand her feelings without interrupting or judging. Express your feelings. Be vulnerable. Tell her how much she means to you. 2. Show consistent effort. Don't stop doing the little things that made her fall in love. Random sweet texts, surprise notes, or planning a date she loved go a long way. 3. Support her goals and dreams. Encourage her passions, even if they're not yours. Celebrate her achievements and help her through tough times. 4. Be emotionally mature. Take responsibility for your actions. Learn how to argue with respect. No yelling, no insults, no blame games. 5. Fix what you can. Work on your flaws, not to be perfect, but to show growth. Ask her what you could do better in the relationship and genuinely try. 6. Spend quality time together. Put your phone down. Be present. Do things she enjoys and introduce her to what you love. 2. 7. Make her feel safe and valued. Be loyal. Be protective, not possessive. Let her know she's the only one through words and actions. Bonus tip: learn her love language. If she values words, compliment her. If she loves touch, hug and cuddle often. If she wants quality time, plan dates and just be with her. If you'd like, I can help you craft a heartfelt message or romantic surprise based on her personality. Want to try that?